model, 2021 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3h2 Eprise Bhdi. Very low mileage spares or repairs. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 98,633. MOT, the 22nd of July 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine does not start and won't turn over. Engine has seized from block damage. Condition summary: bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.